So guys, for the first step, you want to clear the cache and cookies on the web browser that you're using. So for me, I'm on Google Chrome, so I'm going to click on the three dots in the top right. Now I'm going to click on history, and then click on history again. Now I'm going to select delete browsing data. And now once you're on this, you want to keep the time range on all time, and make sure that you select cookies and cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select both cookies and cache, and then click on delete data. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS, and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh winsock reset, and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.